Alright, welcome to this week's episode. Wiper arms are some of the most frustrating things that you will ever remove in your life. They should be easy, and often they're not. Here, I'm going to show you how I've learned over the years to take them off easily. There might be a better way. There's always more than one way to do something, but before you go getting out the torch or hacksawing the entire thing off, try this method first and see if it works for you. So you'll notice I jumped from the passenger side wiper to the driver side wiper. Please don't judge me, I'm not a perfect editor. I guess the true method one would just be you take the knot off and then the wiper comes off, because you live in Florida and you guys don't get rust and it's amazing. And I guess some of you get rust, but you know, better than Ohio with the salt and the snow and the garbage. Look at that one popped so fast. Oh, this car is so disgusting. Look at that. Ugh. So literally got Swamp Thing growing under the hood and moss on the doors. It's crazy. And so I put this in here to help anyone out. If you're in a tight spot, which this car is, and this puller just won't work in this area, what you can do is take the nut, spin it on upside down, and it kind of creates a bowl for the pusher to land in. Yeah, look at that Pittsburgh tool. I'm a fancy man. And don't use crazy strength, but yeah, there we go. If you use crazy strength, you can damage the threads on the stud, but I don't know, just use common logic. I mean, if it's not coming, you can apply a little heat and a little lube or whatever, but with this car, I actually ended up not having to. So
that scratch is easy.